Entrepreneur being means intelligently ignorant. That means willing to challenge themselves, willing to take massive actions without seeing everything clear into them. That is called intelligently ignorant. Let me give you an example with the true story. Okay, true story. In 1961, okay, can anybody tell me who was the president of US in 1961? That is John F. Kennedy. Okay, John F. Kennedy. And in 1961, he came in front of the public of America, and he publicly said, okay, he publicly declared that we are going to moon. Everyone was shocked. How anybody can say that we are going to go for the moon? It is not possible. And there was one thought process going on that himself, John Kennedy, like there was no confirmation from the engineers that they have that much skills and ability to reach out to the moon. There were no computers, that kind of computers which will support them to go to the moon. There were no force and support and that kind of financial stuff, everything, nothing was there. But still he said in front of public, declared that we are going to the moon. Oh my God, right? Type OMG in the comment box. In 1961 I'm talking about. Type OMG in the comment box. Now I want to tell you that why he said that, okay, why he declared that. So he went to the scientist, renowned scientist, his name was a kind of brown kind of name, and he asked that scientist, one of the top scientists from German, that everyone is saying that it is not possible to go for moon, okay, so what is that thing? Okay, he asked to that scientist, president asked to the scientist that what is that thing will take us to the moon? Can you please tell us what is that thing will take us to the moon? Then his answer was, the will to go to moon will take you to the moon. Note it down. The will of going to the moon will take you to the moon. So you need that willingness in you to go. There were no engineers, there were no powerful computers, nothing was there, but there was will of going to the moon. And in 1967 or 1969, that first human being put the step on the moon. Neil Armstrong, the first man, lived. Why? Because of the willingness. So when you're becoming an entrepreneur, you need that willingness to do it. Maybe you don't know right now that I don't have that skills. I am not technical person. I am not ready to launch the course. They launch the rocket with people being in that and send it to the moon. But in 1961, when John Kennedy said, there was nothing, just willingness was there. So as an entrepreneur, you have to be intelligent, ignorant, to challenge yourself and have that willingness within you to go to that, do the thing which you think people are saying it is not possible. You need that willingness. Willingness of going to moon will take you the moon. So I hope this small story is helping you to take more actions in your life, even though you are seeing it is not possible, even though you are seeing there are some problems in my life, okay? And you have to have that kind of willingness in you. I am here only because of willingness to learn, willingness to do this. That's the only reason I'm here. Nothing else.